Alright guys, so over the last couple of years I've been downsizing my life in anticipation of living in a tiny home or living in a mobile home, a RV, or living in a converted van. Well, with today's life changes that are happening right now, I'm moving into a micro studio. And this is the first time I've seen it. Matter of fact, I don't even know where it is. I may have passed it. So, I think it's the other way. Well, shouldn't be the other way. Should be back that way. 47. Let's try it again. It's got to be back here. 47. 74. 3. 101. 3. Oh, it's this way. There we go. And this is the first time I've seen it. So you'll be seeing it with me. Here we go. Here we go. And this is a 360 video, so you're able to actually move your phone around and drag with your finger to look all directions. 175 square feet. Light switch. Oh boy. It's little, guys. It is definitely little. Wow, all right. I want to turn this around so you don't have to turn it so much, but this is the toilet area. Whew. There's the closet. Here is the kitchen. Eye again in the mirror. There's the cabinets, which actually, not bad. Like, not bad at all. Honestly. Definitely going to need more light because that light sucks. Oh, there's a shower. Yeah, that's the shower. So this all closes. Like that. So you do have a little bit of privacy while doing your business. And then here's cover the shower up. Wow, okay, so this is very small. I don't know if my couch that I wanted to put there is going to fit. Guess there's no desk there anymore. Wow. Okay. So, I mean, this is it, honestly. There's a little mini fridge. No, there's a little mini fridge. We got 1, 2 outlets, 3 outlets, 4 outlets, 5 outlets. A couple of blinds. Let's open that up. No, that's not too bad. That's in pretty good light. Where's the other one? 2. Oh, there it is. Yeah, she's little, fellas. She's little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps. 9 whole steps. Sorry for the motion, but I'm a little excited, a little bit nervous. But I think it's going to be all right. Actually, no light in here either. Gonna definitely have to figure out some lights in here because, that's dark. So like I said, you can spin with your finger. You can, ignore my beer belly as I walk through by the mirror. But, okay, so now you've seen it. I've got to do some moving and some other things. So 275 square foot micro studio in downtown Las Vegas, 2 blocks off of Fremont Street. So now you know.